Right now on the left side of the screen, we're looking at the Adobe Color Explore screen, where you can see the most popular palettes or themes at the Adobe Color site. I'm going to choose one of them, Campfire, over on the left side, and you can see that as I hover over the color palette, one of the buttons says Edit Copy. I'm going to click that. That shows me, among other things, the numbers that correspond to the colors in this palette. I've already copied some of them over to my document on the right side, but I'm going to now get the red color. I'm going to copy the hex number, copy that, and then over in this text document, I'm going to paste the number, and then I'm going to copy the brown or maroon value here and paste that as well. I'm going to save this. This is just a text document that I've used to just save the color values so that I can use them later on without having to go back to Adobe Color. I'm now looking at a Google Doc where I want to use the palette that I got from Adobe Color. If you go to the Text Color button and you click the drop-down, you can see that there's a space for custom colors, but there are none on it at this point. I'm going to highlight the word green, and I want to apply the color that I got from Adobe to that. So I'm going to go to this drop-down, I'm going to click the Custom menu, and now there's a place for me to put in this hex number. I'm going to copy that number from my text document and replace the default value with that number. And you can see when I look back, this has now been added to my custom palette. I'm going to go through and do the same for the other colors. So here's the yellow. I'm going to copy my color, go to my drop-down, click the word custom, substitute the color. So now you can see all of my colors have been applied, and they're also stored here on the palette. Now I can do other things with them besides applying them to text. For example, if I want that yellow color in the background of this cell, I can go to the Table menu, Properties, Background, and here is the yellow color, and it's now been applied to the background of that cell. If I want the entire table to have a red border, so you can see that those colors are now usable in different ways, and they're saved with the document. If I open this up later, I can use this as a template for other documents, and those colors will come back.